Stop. If you have been sharing your YouTube video link everywhere, like places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you are what? Damaging your YouTube channel growth. I know it sounds crazy, yes, but it is true. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the reason why sharing your YouTube video link to social media platform is harming your YouTube channel, and what you should be doing instead to get a real viewers and grow your YouTube channel faster here on YouTube Street. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin. Here on this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, how we can help the new YouTubers to grow their YouTube channel. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, please do not forget to like this video, push on the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you will be notified. So let's dive into the two. So if you are posting your video link everywhere with the hope of getting more view, you are wasting your time. I get it. You think that the more people see your video, the better your chances are. To be honest with you, the more you share your YouTube video link to other social media platform, it is just ineffective, and the more you are haunting your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you why and what you should be doing instead of sharing your YouTube video link or other social media platform. So this is the reason why you should not share your YouTube video link to every other social media platform you see, because when you share your YouTube video link to other social media platforms, you are inviting uninterested viewers, people who are not going to engage on your content. These people, because they will click to your link and come to your YouTube channel, subscribe to your channel, but they will not be there to engage on your content, because you ask them to come and subscribe. You just bring them to come and subscribe because that is not what they want, that is not what they watch. Like people on Facebook or Instagram, they know they have their own audience there, while people from YouTube have their own audience. So when you are inviting them through those, sharing your link to them, they will come because you are the one that called them. They will just come and subscribe, but they will not engage on your content. That is why you see some people with highest number of subscribers, like 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, but when they post content or post the video, you will be seeing like 10 view, 20 view, 3 view, 8 view, because of those subscribers are not interested on the kind of content you create. So think about it. YouTube want to show video to viewer, a video that will keep people watching on YouTube. You know, the goal of YouTube is to keep people engaging and keep people watching videos on YouTube. So if your video is keeping people to watch more YouTube, so YouTube will keep on recommending that video. So once your video is not holding people, getting people attention to still be on YouTube, YouTube will push your video backward. So instead of you sharing your video link, let me show you what you need to be doing instead of that. The key is to grow your YouTube channel organic growth instead of forcing your video to people to watch. So you need to focus on getting the right people that will click, watch, and engage on your YouTube video. So in this video, I'll be showing you 3 smart plays that you can promote your YouTube video and get view, get subscriber, and get people that will engage on your YouTube video. Welcome to this side of the screen. So we want to promote our YouTube video instead of us sharing our YouTube video link to other social platform that will not give us uninterested viewer to our YouTube video. So to do this is very easy. Go to your YouTube app. So let me locate. This is my YouTube app. Excuse me. I'll wait for it to load. I will come to this, my profile, click on my profile, then come to view channel. I click on to view channel, and this is my dashboard. Yes, my YouTube channel dashboard. So I will come to this video because I want to remuse my video. I want to create a short video from my long form video. By doing that, short have the tendency of going far. That will make my my YouTube short to go far and give access to whoever that like and click on the video and will also watch my long form video. So I will come to this place and click on this video. Let me say is this first video that I want to promote. If I click it, your YouTube it will open. I will pause it. So I will pause it. So after pausing it, I will come to this place and scroll to look if I will see remix. You can see share, clip, save. As you can see, there is no remix on this video. That means that when I was uploading this video, I set it do not allow remix. So what I need to do to turn on this allow remix for this video, for me to be able to create short from this video, I will go back to my video, then click on this three dots that is here. Then I will come to edit. I will edit, click on edit. Then I will locate where I will see allow remix. You can see short remix and do not allow remix, meaning that it was turned off. So I need to turn it on. So I click on it. Then you can see it is already on do not allow remix. Then I will set it to allow remix. Then go back to my setting, to my editing this, and then save this video. So once I save this video, I will come back again, click on the same video, your YouTube and thumbnail, pause it, look for this place. As you can see, this is it. The button or the feature has pop up, that remix button. So I click on this remix, then edit into short. This is what I'm telling you. I click on is the first short impression your video, then I will come to this place. And if it does not, I come to the place, I can adjust it the way I want. So I want it to start from from, let me use video or your 60 seconds. You understand? And I want 60 seconds. So I will drag it to what it depends on where I want it to be. Okay, let me say 55. Let me say 57 seconds is okay for me. Then this layout, click on this layout. Wait for it to process. This layout is just a form the video will appear. So it's just an FEC. So I don't know, maybe my network is slow. Please load. I don't have time. I can see it's loading. Your okay. YouTube thumbnail, you see the first one. If I want my video to be like this, then I click on the second split, and then I click on the third split. So it depends what you want. So I prefer this first split. It's okay for me. Since I've selected the split, then I'll click on continue. So after clicking on continue, and I wait for the video to load. I think this is okay. It has processed. So in this place, you will write whatever you like. For me, I would prefer okay. So what I need to do here is to just add anything that I want. Let me add anything. You can add anything right up that you want. How to make YouTube thumbnail. You see? So you use this one to adjust it the way you want. So for me, I think this one is okay for me. You can do whatever you want on this place. I'll be showing how to make a YouTube thumbnail that will get you more. Okay. Let me edit it and turn this to capital letter. Sorry for delaying. Good to go. Clicks, more view. So, edit to. No, I don't. It's okay like this. So you adjust this thing to what you like. So it's okay. So the next thing is to what? Press next and wait for it to process. You know, the reason of this process is just like loading all your work that you have done on it. So in this place, we are going to write the same title of that video that you want to promote. So the title of that video is, I think it's how to, let me see if, okay. The title of the video is how to make a YouTube thumbnail for free, quick and easy. You understand? After that, you can easily add, make sure the title of the short is the same as the title of the video that you are promoting. So you can easily, after putting on the title, then you put on short tag. This is just tag. After that, I like putting two tag to this. So like this is okay for me. So I will come down here. You can see, set it to what? Public. Select public. This is the place you select public for visibility. Location if you like, not made for key. Then related video. This place related video. So this come to number 2 way of promoting our YouTube video. You know, the first one is to create short from that video. So if we want to promote our video, the video we want to promote, we click on this related video. and go back and select that same video that we want to promote. This is the video that I'm creating short for. I click on it, it will be automatically added to my related video. So whoever that is watching my short have link to watch the same video. You see that I've promoted the video. This is making it number 2 way of promoting your YouTube video on YouTube. Aside from YouTube, this is the best place to promote your YouTube video. You are using your short video to promote your long video. So you can see that allow, the video is allowed remixing. Then I don't have any pay ad yet. I'm working on it. Alter content, I'm not using AI to create this content. I'm creating the content live by myself. So I will click on yes. I'll click on no. If you're using AI, you click on yes. So the comments, where I'm still looking for more engagement, so I will put it to no restriction. So after that, I think I'm done. So I can come here and upload my shot. Let me see. In this place, you can click on this place that I just click on. Then you edit the thumbnail. You can add the thumbnail that you want to put, the one that you like, that you know you want to put. I think, let me see. I think this one makes sense. You set it there. You can select any one you want. I'm okay with this. Then you come to this place and click on yes. So after that, you come to upload. You click on upload video. As you can see, the video uploaded to my